Marketing. My message for you today is to learn marketing. Any business you're doing, marketing is so important. If you're a business owner or you want to start a business, this is a skill, and it's an ongoing skill. Actually, there's no end to marketing. It's an ongoing skill. It's evolving. Marketing is a skill that is evolving. It's something that you need to know what is trending. Yesterday I did a training on a particular group on cryptocurrency trends. So in business as well, we have trends. So you need to go for the trends in marketing. Right now, we know that digital marketing is the trend, so you need to know how to do digital marketing. They say content is the king in our world now, so you need to know how to write content, how to build your community. So these are things you need to go and learn. And you know, when it comes to learning, YouTube is there to help you, and so many other online platforms where you can maybe buy a course, buy a program. So you must just sit down and start your business and just think people will come in. No, you need to learn how to reach out to people. And today, just with your phone or your laptop, you can do your marketing strategically and you can grow your business. See you next time.